In this video, we will show you how to fix the Credit Karma app not working. Visit the request page on Credit Karma's website. You can either search for the term Credit Karma Submit a Request using your search engine and click the first result. Select an issue from the drop-down menu. Click on the drop-down menu to pick the issue you require help with. The options are: I need help setting up a new account. I need help managing an existing account. I have a question about something I am seeing on the Credit Karma site. I need help with my taxes. Follow the on-screen prompt after you select your issue. When you select the issue you need help with, you will be brought to a new page with different questions based on the issue you selected. If your issue was regarding setting up a new account, you will be asked to select your country from a drop-down. If you need help with an existing account, you will be presented with another drop-down menu with 4 options to choose from. You will also be presented with a drop-down menu containing 4 options. If your issue is regarding something you saw on the site, or if you have a tax question, type in your first and last name. After you have selected what you require help with, you will be asked to fill in with your first and last name. If you also use a middle name or an initial, be sure to provide that information in the first name field. Fill in your email address. This is necessary as Credit Karma will need to be able to contact you with a response to your query. You will need to enter a real, working email address that you have to get a response from Credit Karma. Enter your date of birth. Credit Karma needs your date of birth so they can locate your account on their system. Enter your date of birth in the year, month, date format. Click Submit at the bottom of the page when finished. Have a quick look over the page to make sure you have entered all the correct information, and when you are finished, click Submit to send the form to Credit Karma support. If you found this tutorial helpful, leave a like and subscribe.